Get it. Maxie, get it. Where's your bone? Where's your bone, Max? Bone, get your bone. Where's your bone? Get your bone. Come on, Maxie, get your bone. Okay, Elf Lord, where's your bone? Where's your bone? Get your bone. Get your bone. Come on, Maxie, you know you wanted it. Get your bone. Get your bone. Get your bone. Come on, get it. Oh, Sid Vicious. It's over here. It's right here. Max, your bone's not. Where's your bone, Maxie? Maxie, where's your bone? Aw. Maxie can't get his bone. So very, very sad. Angry. Oh, he's pissed off. Look at him. He's like, you fuckers. We're not taping our torments to the dog.
No more barking.
He can't help it. We won't let him get his bone.
It's not a simple game.
Should I stop? Should I stop taping now?
Hold on. Maxie, come here.
Hey.
No. Take it nicely.
Nicely.
Oh God.
Nicely. He's doing it nice. Good boy.